to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll share valuable tips to help advanced learners of English enhance their listening skills in under 300 seconds. Number 1. Embrace a wide range of listening materials. Tune into podcasts, listen to news broadcasts, or watch thought-provoking documentaries. By exploring different genres, you'll encounter various speaking styles, vocabulary, and cultural references. All of this exposure will sharpen your listening skills and broaden your understanding of English in a variety of contexts. Tip number 2. Challenge yourself with authentic content. British TV shows, films, and radio programs provide an excellent opportunity to expose yourself to genuine, unscripted English conversations. While initially this might be challenging, persistently immersing yourself in authentic content will train your ears to comprehend different accents, dialects, and colloquial expressions. Number 3. Enhancing active listening skills. Active listening is essential for advanced learners, so take notes while you're listening to speeches, lectures, or audio recordings. Try to identify the main ideas, key details, and unfamiliar vocabulary. This active engagement will strengthen your concentration and comprehension abilities. Additionally, summarizing the content in your own words helps solidify your understanding and retention of the materials. Tip number 4. Engage in discussions and debates. You can participate in conversation clubs, join language exchange programs, or interact with fellow English learners online. Actively listening to others, following the flow of the conversation, and practicing extracting meaning from different viewpoints will help you to improve. Finally, seek out challenging listening tasks. You can challenge yourself with tailored listening exercises for proficient English speakers. You can solve complex listening comprehension tasks such as transcribing speeches or dialogues and answer detailed questions about the content. Online platforms and English language proficiency exams often provide these resources. Remember, improving your listening skills takes time and consistent effort, but with practice, patience, and determination, you'll be able to make progress in no time. Thanks for listening. See you again soon.